Hello, and welcome to this course on web programming with Python. My name is Mike McMillan, and I'll be your instructor for this course. To tell you a little bit about myself, I've been working with computers for over 30 years. I have over 25 years of programming experience. For the last 13 years, I've been teaching as a full-time instructor at Pulaski Technical College. I'm also an adjunct instructor of information science at the University of Arkansas at Little Rock. In this course, we're going to be talking about how to use Python to perform web programming. And the different chapters we're going to cover in the course will include, first of all, a programming review, 2 or 3 chapters on just an overview of Python programming for those of you who need to get caught up with that. Then we're going to talk about database programming using a database product called SQLite, which works very well with Python. So I'll show you how to install SQLite, how to set up tables, how to insert data, how to retrieve data, and how to delete data. After that, we're going to look at some web services programming in Python, such as FTP, email, and newsgroups. After that, we'll spend some time talking about web client programming, and then we'll follow that up with a chapter on web server programming. Next, we'll talk about web database programming, where we demonstrate how to use Python to access SQLite via a web interface. Next, we'll talk about XML programming using Python, and then we're going to finish talking about web framework programming using one particular framework called Django, a very popular Python-based web framework application. For this course, you really don't need anything other than the Python language and a text editor. In the next lesson, I'm going to demonstrate how to download Python, and then you can use whatever text editor you want. So if you're working in Windows, you can use Notepad, and then if you're working in any other environment, Linux, Macintosh, any text editor that you're comfortable with will work just fine. I won't demonstrate how to install Python on the Linux environment, but I will have one lesson on installing and running Python in the Mac OS X environment for those of you who use Mac. I believe that's all I need to talk about for introductory material for the course. So the best thing we can do is go ahead and dive in and get started by seeing how to download and install Python on your computer.